Percy puffed grumpily into the yards.
Percy, you had to move back.
The king is in trouble. I haven't got time to chat. Let's meet at the park afterwards.
I must have to be on time.
Oh, right.
Percy, you had to move back.
Many have tried. Det smager altså af yoghurt med papsmag, doktor.
I must be brave.
It was dark in the wood, and they had to be brave, for things moved all around them.
Many have tried. Det smager altså af yoghurt med papsmag, doktor.
I must be brave.
Because he is so slow. I think she's gone hunting.
Because I want 5 minutes peace from you lot.
Bossy buffers, muttered Percy.
What's going on? I expect... Don't be silly. You need a driver.
Percy shunted back to where a large canvas barrier was used to protect his line from loose rocks.
Det smager altså af yoghurt med papsmag, doktor.
You have to go forward.
Get out of here fast! The mine's collapsing! We'll just have to make a run for it, Percy, called his driver. There's going to be an avalanche, wailed Percy.
I think we better run.
And he was right. Worse still, the track he was on began to crumble. Oh, help! Wailed Percy. Then he remembered something he had seen earlier. There's a canvas barrier by the track. That might save us. And he was right. Worse still, the track he was on began to crumble. Oh, help! Wailed Percy. Then he remembered something he had seen earlier. There's a canvas barrier by the track. That might save us.
wrap.